and a warm welcome to all the viewers. My name is Mihir Devendra Parab. Today, me and my team are going to talk about the fourth principle of green chemistry, which states that chemical products are designed in order to carry out their desired function while minimizing their toxicity. But what exactly a chemical means? Many people have misconception about chemicals. They treat it as a toxic thing. But the reality is that any substance in our surrounding which is made up of matter can be termed as a chemical. Reducing the toxicity is a constant priority in the chemistry. With the view of fourth principle in mind, many chemists are looking forward to design the chemicals which is not only efficient in their purposes but also to reduce their toxicity. Many awards are designated to those who have contributed their work in the green chemistry. For example, Presidential Green Chemistry Challenge Award in the category of designing safer chemicals. The concept of designing safer chemicals brings a new dimension to the molecular design, a far better consideration of impact of new or existing chemical on human and environment throughout the chemical's life cycle of manufacture, its use and disposal. In this video, we are going to feature a great example on how chemicals can be redesigned in order to reduce their toxicity.
Hi, this is Manish Ravindra Patil. I would like to start by saying that reducing toxicity is and should be a constant priority in chemistry. There are tens of thousands of chemicals which are made every day, and it should be a key part of every sustainable producing as well as every sustainable purchasing risk program to understand which chemicals can be hazardous. These harmful chemicals might cause harm to the users of those products or services. So, then why do we need to move towards safer chemicals? First of all, a constant exposure to harmful chemicals may lead to one's health concern. Medical drugs made of toxic chemicals disrupt our system at low level of exposure and can cause harm to our body. As the use of chemicals have increased, the chemical related diseases have also increased. These diseases are various types of cancers such as blood cancer, skin cancer, and asthma, birth defect, developmental abilities, etc. Toxic chemicals prove a constant threat to not only humans but also animals and plants' life. Some may be more sensitive than others. Older people, people with pre-existing diseases, plants and animals at constant exposure often fall prey to these chemical related diseases. And lastly, accidents in the past like the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984 and the most recent 2020 Beirut explosion are constant reminders for us individuals to move towards safer chemicals.
Hello, my name is Himali Paradkar and I am here to talk about advantages of using safer chemicals. It lowers the level of chemical released in the environment. Plants and animals suffer less harm, less hazardous waste, landfills, lowers potential for global warming and ozone depletion and also smog formation. Cost for waste treatment and disposal is being reduced. Being safer chemicals hence can be recycled. Reduced usage of petroleum products. Being efficient energy usage meets the goal to conserve energy. Being efficient resource, hazardous waste is avoided.
Let's check the application of designing safer chemicals. One of the best application of designing safer chemical is new and safe fire extinguisher. This new and safe fire extinguisher was developed by one of the winner of Presidential Green Chemistry Award 2014. Before that, the fire extinguishers were produced by using the fluorosurfactant. This fluorosurfactant mainly contain fluorine, and this fluorine makes them chemically so strong. That's why they were used as fire extinguishing foam before. But over the period of time, our scientists came to know that these fluorosurfactants are harmful for human body. They stuck into the human body. But our Green Chemistry Award winner come up with alternative on a fluorosurfactant. By using sugar and another non-fluorinated additives, they made a safe fire extinguisher. This fire extinguisher is as effective as the older one. They built a safe and effective chemical without sacrificing the performance. This is a great example of innovating and designing safe chemicals.
Hello, this is Sneh Amit Patel here. Lastly, The conclusion: we have entered a new era in control of toxic substance in our environment, namely that of prevention. Although the concept is not new, but it has never been fully developed or promoted, we should use safe chemicals to prevent our environment. We should take the necessary steps to increase the awareness, understanding, acceptance, and implementation of using safe chemicals as an integral part in the field of synthetic chemistry, both academically and industrially. Our goal is to integrate the concept of using safe chemicals in every aspect of science and technology. To reach this goal, there must be some changes in the existing infrastructure. For example, research in toxicology, approaches to chemical education, etc. Hence, the ultimate aim of using safe chemicals is to entirely reduce the stream of hazardous chemicals pouring into our environment. Thank you.